No, that was the gaffer with the. That's why I stopped counting.
That's the threshold. What's the gaffer? Oh.
In filmmaking, they have that the
Blackboard.
yeah, and so they count down 5, 4, 3, and then they shut up.
Find it. Good girlie. Good girlie.
Is that when you say alert?
Alert. Yep.
Oh.
That's one thing I usually don't screw up. The finish is what I find it. Good girlie. Yeah. Good girlie.
She went right past her. She
It's-
sniffed.
First time. Yep.
She sniffed the distraction box and kept going.
Was it there?
No, it's two more further.
Okay. All right, baby dog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna start you off leash first. Let's see how you do, but then you gotta slow your ass down. Ready? Okay. Ready? Find it. There's not 3 in NW2, but I'm just running her anyway. If she doesn't get it, I'll just
Look at her.
yeah.
Good girlie.
Girlie. Nice job. I love they use the rock as a step stool.
So precious.
Good girlie.
But I just can't tell.
Okay,
That
find
one
it.
or that one. Smells so good. Interesting.
I probably, I don't know, maybe not. Good girlie. Nice job. Good girlie. Okay, ready? Find it. The one post.
The odor is the weirdest thing, isn't it?
I'll show you a picture that.
It's like it's probably running along the fence.
That's
Odor.
over there. Yep. Find it.
That's always the tricky thing, is keep them off of where they've been before, but you know, not discourage them.
It's one of my hardest things.
Yeah, that's why I put Carmen back on the leash,
Yep, that's,
because she'll go for the easy.
they're not dumb.
Oh, why would see?
Nope.
Good girl. Found it again.
Find it. Yeah. Why did you do that the first time? Good girl. Good girl.
So what do you say?
No shit.
No.
Finish.
No, finish. Good girl. Nice job. You did some good, little friend. Good job, little friend. Okay. It's a little much for him.
From our dryer dog. Yeah, I mean, I look at everything.
Our dryer
I
dog.
look at everything
Dryer
differently
dog.
now.
It's hilarious. Find it. Okay. Good girlie.
You're not supposed to crush the boxes, right?
She did not crush.
No, she did.
Whoopsies. Good girlie. Okay, baby. Find it.
That's
Yep.
the distraction box.
Yep.
But she didn't really alert to it.
No.
She just pushed it away.
But it's good, because then
Find
she
it.
knows that she doesn't get rewarded.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good girlie. Good girlie. Nice job. Okay. Finish. Go ahead, dog. Good girl, buddy.
Now, do you dare do her off leash?
I
Yeah.
think, because she's working.
Okay. She's not gonna. She's
We're
not
gonna find
interested
out,
in
aren't
leaving.
You know what? I'm not, because I'm not gonna let her mark Carmen.
Oh.
Actually, now that I think about it, 'cause she's a marker. Find it. And that harness goes on. I don't want her to
Yeah.
pee in it. She doesn't pee in it.
Yeah.
Yay, buddy! Good girl. Ah.
Oh!
Don't do what your brother does. Yay! Okay. Find it. Find another. Yay! Good girlie. Good girlie. I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm trying. I'm sorry. Good girl. Okay. Find another.
Open fences are the worst.
Mm-hmm.
It's really. It's like probably the odor gets sucked to the other side. Something.
Oh,
You know?
it's like there's no fence at all. It's like in midair.
Again, this somehow maybe that's from the pole over there that it's running up that fence post. Yeah.
Is it 3 different odors?
One is ABC, which is all 3, and one,
Uh-huh.
2 are, whoa, I don't remember.
No matter. They don't. They definitely don't have a problem with that.
Yay! Good girlie!
They associate
Nice
any one of the 3 as the 3.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
Yay!
Good.
It's crazy how.
What do you say?
I say shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.